The landscape of academia is evolving, shaped by rapid changes in technology, society, and the demands of a global economy. One of the most significant transformations lies in the shifting priorities of research funding. More than ever, granting agencies and institutions are directing resources toward research that promises real-world impact, whether that means innovations in healthcare, solutions for climate change, or advancements in artificial intelligence. Fundamental research remains important, but the pressure to demonstrate tangible outcomes is increasing. This creates new opportunities for scholars to align their work with societal challenges, but it also brings new challenges in balancing curiosity-driven inquiry with goal-oriented projects. As the problems facing our world grow increasingly complex, academia is responding with a heightened focus on interdisciplinary research. Collaboration across traditional boundaries, linking fields like biology and computer science, or the arts and engineering, leads to fresh perspectives and unexpected breakthroughs. Universities and funding bodies now encourage teams that blend knowledge from different disciplines, recognizing that solutions to modern problems rarely exist within a single domain. This interdisciplinary approach fosters creativity, broadens methodologies, and allows academic research to address multifaceted issues in ways that would be impossible from a narrower viewpoint. Simultaneously, the rise of digital technologies has transformed the way education is delivered. The global experience with online learning has proven that instruction and mentorship are not confined to the traditional classroom. The growing importance of online teaching and digital pedagogy is not merely a response to necessity, but a recognition of the opportunities technology brings. Flexible learning platforms, interactive resources, and virtual collaboration tools are making education more accessible, allowing students from all walks of life to engage in academic pursuits. As academia moves forward, the intersection of digital innovation, collaborative research, and evolving funding priorities promises to redefine the scholarly landscape for the generations to come. When it comes to crafting a standout CV, the key is to go beyond simply listing your qualifications and experiences. Instead, think of your CV as a strategic document, one that showcases your accomplishments, aligns your strengths with the role you're seeking, and leaves a memorable impression on potential employers. Begin by honing in on your research contributions. Rather than presenting a generic summary, highlight the specific impact your research has had. Describe not only the projects you've led or participated in, but also the breakthroughs, publications, and collaborations that resulted from your work. Emphasize your unique role, detailing how your efforts advanced your field or addressed real-world challenges. Next, tailor your CV to fit the specific requirements of each job application. Carefully study the posted job description, identifying the core skills and experiences the employer is seeking. Then, weave those priorities into your own narrative. Adjust your wording, reorder sections as appropriate, and highlight the aspects of your background that most closely match what the organization is looking for. By making your relevance clear, you set yourself apart from candidates who send the same document for every position. Don't forget to showcase your teaching experience and accomplishments. Go beyond simply listing the courses you've taught. Describe your teaching philosophy, innovative approaches you've implemented, and notable outcomes such as student feedback or successful mentorship. Highlight any curriculum development, course improvements, or educational awards you've received. If possible, include evidence of your commitment to fostering an engaging and inclusive learning environment. Ultimately, a standout CV is concise, yet comprehensive, evidence-driven yet accessible. It captures both your achievements and your potential, offering a clear narrative about who you are as a researcher, educator, and professional. With attention to detail and purposeful customization, your CV can open doors and set you on a trajectory toward your next opportunity. Crafting a compelling cover letter is a vital step in standing out as an applicant. It's not just about listing accomplishments. Your letter should tell a story that connects your experiences, aspirations, and values with the specific opportunities at your target institution. Start by making it personal. Take the time to address your letter to the relevant department head or search committee. Mention the institution by name and refer to the position directly. This demonstrates your genuine interest and care, setting you apart from those who submit generic applications. Next, show that you've done your homework. Delve into the research priorities and academic culture of the department. What specific projects or themes define their work? Are there recent publications, grants, or initiatives that caught your attention? Reference these as you explain how your background aligns with, complements, or can enhance their ongoing efforts. Providing thoughtful examples reveals your depth of understanding and commitment to contributing meaningfully. But expertise is only part of the equation. Enthusiasm can be just as persuasive. Express excitement for the institution's mission, values, and strengths. Whether it's their commitment to community engagement, their reputation for innovative research, or their collaborative spirit, articulate why these features resonate with you. Share how joining their team aligns with your professional goals and how you envision growing alongside their community. A well-written cover letter strikes a balance between professional confidence and authentic curiosity. It demonstrates not just why you're qualified, but why you genuinely want the position at this institution at this moment. Take this opportunity to connect the dots between your past, your present intentions, and your future ambitions in a way that leaves a lasting impression. A personalized, informed, and passionate letter can open doors and spark exciting conversations about your potential contribution. Navigating the interview process as an educator requires preparation, confidence, and a thoughtful approach. Begin by anticipating common interview questions. Employers often ask about your background, teaching experience, and approaches to classroom management. Consider questions like, "Can you tell us about a time you handled a difficult classroom situation?" Or, "How do you adapt lessons for students with different learning needs?" Prepare clear, specific examples from your past experiences that illustrate your problem-solving skills, adaptability, and dedication to student success. Practice responding in a way that highlights your strengths while demonstrating honesty and reflection. Equally important is your ability to articulate your teaching philosophy and style. Reflect deeply on what drives your passion for education. Are you committed to student-centered learning, technology integration, or fostering creativity? When asked about your philosophy, share your core beliefs using real-life classroom stories. For example, if you encourage collaborative learning, describe a project where students work together to solve a problem and how that experience impacted their engagement and growth. Let your enthusiasm and values shine through, showing how you create a positive, inclusive learning environment. As the interview progresses, salary and benefits will likely become part of the conversation. Beforehand, research typical salaries for your position and location so you know your worth. Be prepared to discuss specifics, but approach negotiations with professionalism and flexibility. Express appreciation for the opportunity and consider the full package. including health benefits, retirement plans, professional development, and work-life balance. Phrase your negotiations positively, such as, "Given my experience and the responsibilities of this role, I'm hoping we can discuss a starting salary in the range of..." Each stage of the interview is a chance to present your best self, connect with your potential colleagues, and ensure this is the right fit for you. With preparation, self-awareness, and confidence, you can move through the process successfully and take the next step in your teaching career. Building a strong professional network is an essential step on the road to academic and career success. One of the most effective ways to begin is by attending conferences and workshops within your field. These gatherings are opportunities to learn about the latest research, exchange ideas, and meet experts and peers who share your interests. Don't hesitate to introduce yourself, ask questions, and join informal discussions. Even a brief conversation can lead to future collaborations or guidance. Equally valuable are the connections you form with faculty members in your area of study. Faculty are not just teachers, they are experienced professionals with networks of their own. Schedule office hours, participate actively in class, and express genuine interest in their research. Let them know about your own aspirations and pursuits. Over time, they may become trusted mentors, offering advice, writing recommendations, or connecting you with opportunities for research, internships, or employment. Beyond face-to-face connections, engaging with online academic communities can dramatically expand your network. Platforms like LinkedIn, ResearchGate, and field-specific forums open doors to international conversations. Share articles, participate in discussions, and seek feedback on your work. Online groups often welcome newcomers and can provide timely advice, introduce you to relevant resources, and even alert you to upcoming events or openings. Remember, networking is about genuine relationship building, not just collecting contacts. Maintain connections by following up after meetings, expressing appreciation for advice, and staying in touch with updates on your achievements. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or slow progress. Over time, each conversation and interaction helps you grow not only your list of contacts, but also your confidence, knowledge, and influence within your professional community. Through consistent effort and authentic engagement, your network will become one of your most valuable assets. This channel is committed to promoting your professional success. Follow us, comment on your challenges, and we will show you the path to success and professional fulfillment.